Want a restaurant-style dinner in just 20 minutes? Try this Mongolian chicken. Sweet, savory, and better than takeout. 500 grams boneless chicken sliced, 3 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger, minced, 2 tablespoon oil, ½ cup water, spring onions for garnish. First, coat the chicken with cornstarch and let it sit for 5 minutes. Heat oil in a pan and stir-fry the chicken until golden brown, then remove. In the same pan, sauté garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and water. Stir and let it bubble into a glossy sauce. Now return the chicken, toss well until coated, and cook for 2 more minutes. Top with spring onions, and your Mongolian chicken is ready. Serve it hot with rice or noodles. This dish is guaranteed to impress. If you loved this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and share for more quick meals.